If you have been using your Revolut card for everything from groceries to morning coffee, you have probably noticed a massive pile of Rev points sitting in your account. The problem is that Revolut makes it look like these points are only good for travel perks or fancy airline miles, which feels like a total waste if you just want actual money back in your pocket. You want to turn those digital points into real, spendable cash. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, using a specific workaround that most people overlook. Stick around until the end, because I am also going to share a simple trick that ensures you are getting the absolute highest conversion rate possible, so you don't leave any money on the table. The reason it is so confusing to cash out is that Revolut designed Rev points as a loyalty currency rather than a direct cashback system. They want you to spend them on Avios or hotel stays because it keeps you within their partner ecosystem. Think of it like store credit. They would much rather you buy a flight than take $20 out of their pocket. Because there is no big "convert to cash" button on the main screen, most users assume their points are stuck. But the secret lies in the gift card market, which acts as the bridge between your points and your bank balance. To get started, open your Revolut app and look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a dedicated Rev Points tab. Tap that to enter the Rewards Hub. This is where your specific location matters. Depending on which country your account is registered in, you will see a menu for Trade or Spend. You are looking for the Gift Cards section. If you don't see it immediately, it usually means your specific region has restricted direct point-to-gift card exchanges. But for most of Europe and the UK, it should be right there. Once you are in the gift card menu, you need to be strategic. You aren't just picking any random brand. You want to search for high-value, high-liquidity cards like Amazon, Uber, or generic prepaid vouchers if they are available. Select the gift card that matches the number of points you want to offload and complete the exchange. Now, you have a digital code that represents real-world value. To turn that code into actual cash in your Revolut main balance, you can use a secondary exchange site, or even better, use the gift card for a purchase you were already going to make with cash. By using the gift card for your regular grocery run or Amazon order, you are effectively releasing that same amount of cash back into your main account balance. It's the most efficient way to liquidate the points without losing a percentage to third-party fees. Now, for that pro tip I mentioned earlier. If you want to maximize your returns, always check the Stays section within the Revolut app before you commit to a gift card. Sometimes Revolut offers a massive points plus cash discount on bookings that actually gives you a much higher cent per point value than a standard gift card would. If you have a trip coming up, using points there is technically worth more than cashing them out.